Vocab related with baking: all-purpose flour, almond flour, angel food cake, baking powder, baking soda, batter, bench scraper, blind baking, bloom, braise, bread flour, buttercream, caramelize, cast iron, chiffon cake, chocolate ganache, clafoutis, confectioner's sugar, cornmeal, creaming, crème brûlée, crumb coat, crust, Danish pastry, deglaze, devil's food cake, dough, dough hook, dragées, Dutch oven, egg wash, emulsify, enzyme, fats, fermentation, folding, fondant, French meringue, frangipane, ganache, gelatin, gluten, gluten-free, golden brown, grease, greased parchment, icing, knead, laminated dough, leavening agent, lemon zest, line, meringue, mise en place, mixing, muffin, muffin tin, non-stick, nutmeg, offset spatula, oven spring, parchment paper, pastry, pastry bag, pastry brush, pastry cream, pastry cutter, pastry flour, pastry shell, pot au choux, pot brisé, pot sucré, peking, phyllo dough, piping, pit, proof, proving, puff pastry, quiche, ramekin, rich dough, rolling pin, roux, royal icing, rye flour, sable, sacher torte, sauté, scold, score, scone, self-raising flour, semolina, short crust pastry, shortening, sift, simmer, slurry, soft peaks, soufflé, sponge cake, springform pan, squeeze bottle, stiff peaks, streusel, sugar, superfine sugar, sweet dough, tart tatin, temper, tort, unsalted butter, vanilla bean, vanilla extract, vegan baking, vegan butter, velvet cake, whip, whisk, white chocolate, whole wheat flour, yeast, zest, agar, bain-marie, basting, beating, bench rest, biscuit, croissant, crumb, crumble, crusty, custard, dough scraper, egg white, egg yolk, folding, fondant, frosting, ganache, gluten, grate, homogenize, hydration, kneading, lattice, layer cake, levain, macaron, macerate, malt, marzipan, meringue, mince, mold, nut butter, nut flour, overproofed, overwhip, palm sugar, pastry blender, pastry cutter, pie weights, pinch, piping tip, pit, plate, poolish. Don't forget to subscribe to Ongbo channel.